Alright guys, so for today's project, I'm going to be grinding off the chain. This old chain basically doesn't fit on my rig. I have a tire carrier that kind of makes this a little bit short, so instead of extending this length, since it's all beat up and old, I purchased one off of Amazon. There was a lot of options out there, but I didn't choose anything too crazy. I originally wanted the black finish, but knowing how chains are and how beat up they get, I know that the coating is just going to go ahead and get grinded off anyways or chipped off. So went with the neutral color. So going to extend it. We're going to chop this in half, add each one to the rings right here. But let's go ahead and grind off the first set first. Oh, I liked these because it has these safety clamps so they don't just fall off. And like these. All right, let's just go ahead and grind. I'm still waiting for my D-ring to come, but I'm gonna go ahead and prep this chain anyways. I'm gonna go ahead and split it in half. All right, so I originally ordered D-rings. All right, so I originally ordered heavy-duty D-rings, but after looking at the unit that I just bought, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and use these bolts so I think they're gonna be strong enough. I don't have to buy anything else, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take this pin off and replace this there. Take out that pin. Oh. Doesn't quite work. It doesn't fit. Okay, scratch that. I'm going to need my D-rings. All right guys, today I'm getting ready to get this trailer registered. So I'm gonna be putting on the chain. I just got these extended link or these D-rings. These are 3/8 inch, so they're very heavy duty. And they're the same 3/8 as this link here, so I should be fine. All right, guys, just waited about an hour, went through a long line at the DMV. I'm at the next step, which is getting it inspected. Hopefully they don't have to make me weigh this or go to the CHP because it has no VIN. It's been giving me a bit of an issue getting it registered, but let's see what they say. It doesn't weigh a lot, only 500 plus pounds dry, and yeah, hopefully I don't have to do all that. So let me go ahead and get in line. Let's get it inspected and let's hope for the best. All right, I think they're gonna pass me and give me a VIN number here. I was a little skeptical because my chain was a bit long, but so far it's okay. I think that they're okay with the data plate being so old that there is really nothing that they could get on this VIN. So let's hopefully I'll be able to register this today. All right, guys, after 2.5 hours at the DMV, I finally got my plates. Everything is registered. They're gonna be sending me a title at home. So I'm just glad overall that I invested this part of the morning and actually got it done, because I was reading some horror stories of just the DMV leading people towards the wrong registration process. So I almost felt it here, and if I didn't have ChatGPT, I definitely might have just listened to them. So a couple of things that happened were that since it has no VIN and there was no way to identify it and even register or put a title on it, they had to assign a VIN, and in order to assign a VIN, that's something that the CHP might have to do. But I was able to have them basically waive that area and have their normal driver ed inspectors actually conduct the inspection, and they passed it. So that was good. It saved me time from having to go to CHP and dealing with the highway patrol. And then the other situation is they wanted me to actually weigh the trailer. So I also told them, because ChatGPT said that I might not have to do it because of the weight is only 500 pounds. It may not require me to weigh it. So I told them that it was really lightweight. I just kept pushing and pushing and pushing for them to get the process going. And eventually it got to the inspector. It passed. Everything was fine. And then it got to the payment area. So she was able to fill everything in and actually get it registered. So I'm good to go. And I'm officially the owner and everything is all good. So next part is we're gonna grind the rest of the trailer down so that we can prep it for paint and the rest of the good stuff.